It's your boy. What's up, man or woman? It's your boy Beamy, back at it again with another shoe review under retail. As you all know, we've all been under quarantine, so I've been working, but I still been picking up kicks. And this particular pair was under retail. I've had my eye on it for a while. So once I saw it for this low price, it was a go. And now it's here. So you see this, you probably know what it is. It's a 2019 Air Max Day edition. I hope when you wear these sneakers, it feels like you have a little piece of NY with you. And remember to walk with love in your heart for all people. Queen Leo. Thank you for your order. Probably know what it is. Let's get it. It's the Nike Air Max 98 La Mezcla. I think I said that right. These were Air Max 98 OAGS. I don't even know what that means. But it's a men's size 11. Colorway is Vast Green, Electro Green. And that's it. So set that aside over here. So as you can see, we got two different color shoelaces. And it pretty much has a gradient effect. From here, it's a dark brown to I almost say like a rust to just goes back around. You got air right here. You got I guess this is what they call the Vast Green on the swoosh right here. You got pretty much, I call it like cement maybe in terms of New York being the concrete jungle. So you got cement cracking. I'd say cement cracking all throughout. This must be the latitude and longitude of New York City. And you got the green swoosh right here, blue laces with electro green tips, and I guess you could call this a star. And then it says inscribed on the inside, it's Queen Leo. And you got extra laces, white laces, got a kind of like a silky or almost like a plastic like black thing on the rear pull tab. You got the blue Air Max bubble on the insole, clear outsole with a Vast Green Nike swoosh blue, and same concept over here, except you got the Vast Green shoelaces with blue lace tips, clear outsole. So that's it. These, when they came out, they were sold for $140. When these shoes released, they sold for $200. I was able to get them for the low price of $85. Yes, $85. Again, COVID-19 caused these stores to close down, and a lot of them were forced to sell shoes online. And because of that, they offered 25% off discounts, and your boy took advantage. Again, like I always say in these under retail videos, patience is key. So if you have patience, you can cop good shoes at a good price. So again, that was the case with these, and I'm glad to have these in the collection. I'm still trying to figure out whether or not I'm going to keep them. I've tried to figure out what fits I'm gonna wear with them, and they just don't really flow. But again, you know, boys ain't really been able to go out, so I've just been mirror dressing lately. But not to worry, your boy will bring you some long feet. Let me know down below, do you have any Air Max 98s? Were you able to pick up any Air Max 98s during this quarantine? What were your quarantine pickups? I got some more quarantine pickups coming to you. And also, these fit true to size. These are a size 11. Materials are good. I mean, it's a good shoe. The only thing that I was really disappointed about is that there's no reflective material on it. And when I think of Air Max 98, I think of some portion of it having some sort of reflective material on it. Just adds to the flair of the shoe. So I was kind of disappointed in that. Hey, you ain't got to go yet. Got more shoe reviews over here and vlogs over here.